Hey guys, let's see today how to delete or remove stickers on iPhone iOS 17. So guys, if you have any customized stickers on your iPhone, let me to create a stickers and I will show you guys how to delete or remove stickers on your iPhone iOS 17. So for that, just go to Photos app and you can just go to that just select any photo. So I have to select this one. And now just try to create a sticker. So first to press on, and you can see over in the top add stickers. Just click on add stickers. Here you go. Automatically automatically stickers has been created and it comes under the sticker sections. So now you can just see over here also automatically that delete option also appear. So if you want to delete these stickers, just select and you can go for delete. Here you go. Also guys, if you want to send someone, so let me now here you want to send someone stickers, you can also remove stickers from, and now here just select here stickers, and you can see now I want to remove these stickers. It has been successfully removed. So guys, this way you can delete or remove stickers on iPhone iOS 17. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.